Hello guys, welcome to our channel Bullzen Fishing. Today I'm going to do a very special introduction for very special new product from Bullzen. We have a crossover from DC Comics. It's a very great superhero, Batman. I think you should never heard this before. This is the first Batman fishing rod on this planet. Here it is, Batman Dark Knight from Bullzen. So let us open and see the product. This is manual guide. There are 4 hanging cards. The Bullzen hanging card. Guys, you must know that all the original Bullzen fishing rod must have this card, because this is represent the original. The second one is Fuji card. The rod is equipped the full Fuji organized ring and Fuji rear seat. The third is Batman original card. And this is the last one, Batman 18 years anniversary, long live the bat. The rod are painted in special custom-made Batman Bat Black color. It's called Bat Black, and it look elegant and classy. So the rod brand is made out from Japan Torre carbon. The material is mixed with T300 and T710. One more important you must know. It has 3 numbers print on the rod. It has 100 pieces per model, and it is surely limited with CE number. And it consists with full EVA, soft touch handle, and Fuji VSS rear seat. Nice Batman logo on the rear seat. So this rod is designed for jigging game, and it's got 3 models, which is PE2, PE3 and PE4. You can check the more detailed info the end of this video. Okay guys, so if you would like to buy this Batman Junior product, you can message us in our Facebook or YouTube, and please also subscribe our Facebook and YouTube. Thank you very much.